Welcome back, channel friends. Would you drive a car knowing the brakes will fail in the next 10 minutes? Probably not. But every single day, millions of people wake up after 5 hours of sleep and do something far worse. They drive their brain like a car with failed brakes, blurred vision, and delayed reaction time. And the most dangerous part? They feel fine. That's exactly how drunk drivers feel too. Here's the lie you tell yourself. I'm used to it. I function better on less sleep. I've adapted. No, you haven't adapted. Your brain has lost the ability to detect its own impairment. Sleep deprivation damages the exact brain regions responsible for self-assessment, which means the worse your brain gets, the more confident you feel. This is not discipline. This is neurological blindness. This is not my opinion. This comes from Mathew, neuroscientist, former Harvard professor, and author of Why We Sleep. His warning is simple. After 5 hours of sleep, the human brain is cognitively impaired to a level equivalent to legal intoxication. This video is not motivation. It is a medical-level warning. Let's go inside your brain. Every thought you think, every decision you make, leaves behind toxic waste, real waste, proteins called beta amyloid and tau. They are poisonous to brain cells. Your body has cleaning systems for every organ except the brain. So nature built a special solution. It's called the glymphatic system, and it only activates during deep sleep. When you sleep properly, your brain cells shrink by up to 60%. Space opens up. Cerebrospinal fluid rushes through your brain like a pressure washer and flushes the toxins out. Now listen carefully. If you sleep 5-6 hours, that wash cycle never finishes. The poison stays, night after night, year after year. That buildup is now known as a primary cause of Alzheimer's disease. You are not just tired, you are letting garbage rot inside your brain. Remember these numbers forever. Number 1. After one night of 4 to 5 hours of sleep, your natural killer immune cells drop by 70%. These are the cells that destroy cancer cells. One night, 70%. Number 2. When countries move clocks forward for daylight savings time and people lose 1 hour of sleep, heart attacks spike by 24% the next day. 1 hour. Number 3. Men sleeping under 6 hours have testosterone levels of someone 10 years older. This is not aging, this is accelerated decay. Let's kill the lies. Lie 1. I'll catch up on weekends. Sleep debt is not refundable. You cannot repay biological damage after it has already happened. Lie 2. Alcohol helps me sleep. Alcohol does not create sleep. It sedates the brain. It destroys REM sleep, the stage that regulates emotions, memory, and trauma. Lie 3. Less sleep means hustle. No, less sleep means worse memory, shorter temper, slower thinking, and bad decisions. That's not hustle. That's self-sabotage. Let's make this personal. If you are a man and you sleep 5 to 6 hours, your testosterone is crashing, your recovery is slower, your confidence is chemically weakened. If you are a woman, sleep loss accelerates DNA damage, skin aging, hormonal imbalance, and anxiety. Sleep deprivation doesn't just hurt productivity, it changes who you become. More emotional, less focused, easily irritated, less ambitious. This habit is stealing your future self. No motivation, only rules. The 10-3-2-1-0 protocol. 10 hours before bed, no caffeine. Caffeine blocks sleep receptors for up to 12 hours. 3 hours before bed, no food, no alcohol. 2 hours before bed, no work, no emails, no arguments. 1 hour before bed, no screens, no TV. Blue light blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. Zero snooze button, ever. Snooze spikes blood pressure and stresses the heart. Second rule, sleep in a cool room. Your brain requires a 1-degree temperature drop to enter deep sleep. Third rule, morning sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. This resets your internal clock. Sleep begins with morning light. Sleep is not rest. Sleep is not laziness. Sleep is not optional. Sleep is biological armor. It upgrades memory, stabilizes emotion, repairs DNA, sharpens judgment. You don't sleep because you are weak. You sleep because you are strategic. Do not just like this video. That means nothing. Write this in the comments, fixing my sleep from today. Share this video with one person you care about. This is not content. This is a warning. One day, after a full night of real sleep, you will wake up and realize you were never lazy. You were never broken. You were just tired. Sleep so you can wake up. If you like the video, share, subscribe, and write in comment, fixing my sleep from today. Thank you.